welcome back. Even on 14th of August, when I had issued my last Friday, when I had come out with my whole week's forecast, by the way, for those who are still not aware, I try and come out with a forecast for the whole week so people know much in advance what they can expect for this week. So every day I come out and I try to also mention certain periods of time when the markets could do well in the forthcoming week. Important pockets of strength or weaknesses, if I can identify, give it to you on like 1 week before. I had mentioned over there that today, Thursday, by the way, Thursday is always a tricky day because of the options expiration, many big players involved. So do understand that. Take my advice, but always take it with a grain of salt because Thursday always turns out to be very tricky. Yet I had mentioned that 1 to 3 p.m. this period could be negative, and I had warned people much in advance, and people have taken positions therefore accordingly. I have also mentioned that around 11 o'clock you could see a sudden fall. So both these things which I had mentioned, I still continue to hold. Looks like a negative day, but these two periods particularly be careful. Around 11 o'clock, 11 to 11:30, then 1 to 3, particularly 1 to 2 o'clock. In that time frame, you can see a fall in the markets. Nifty can fall. In an overall negative day, these two periods could stand out. So be cautious, and if you are taking any positions, then be careful and try to wind up your positions before 3 o'clock because the lot of turbulence could enter in the last half an hour. For those who need even more detailed forecast than this, I mean, this is best I can put in this video with the time frame that I've been given. But if you need more detail, then you can WhatsApp me on 982-086-1044, or better, you can be a part of the Art of Investing program so we can talk in more detail then about this. But this is to the best of my knowledge, with all humility. I mentioned this, and then I hope that there will be some amount of volatility today because of the options expiration. But I believe these periods could be negative. So around 11:30, and then 1 to 2 o'clock, 1 to 3 actually, but between 1 and 2, a little more. And there is every likelihood of a fall in these periods. Yet do your own analysis, please, because it's your hard-earned money. I try to benefit people, but if it goes even 1% off the mark, then people write and they think that I have been 1% off the mark. So I'm trying to now limit my writing to I should be careful in mentioning that also do your own analysis, because everybody's hard-earned money. After all the massive effort, nobody will do this. What I'm trying to do and give you. Yet I 1% off the mark. Like 2 days, I said everybody will be a wildly positive day. 2 nice positive days, and they have been good days. Just for the last half hour there was, or 45 minutes, there was some selling yesterday. But other than that, I mentioned 2 days prior. In fact, in my very clearly on Tuesday morning itself, I gave you all that 2 full days are coming nice positive. People have benefited a lot. They have made money, and that's all at best I can do. I keep coming with whole week forecasts. You can watch that as well. Some are requesting, sir, instead of try to come a little, because this time they are saying it's a very tricky week coming up because of that 27th August. So I'll come up with that also. Monthly expiration is always very, very tricky, so I'll do that as well. And I hope you guys, this forecasts which are there, I try to come so it benefits everybody. And lot of people, I understand, they are not getting the right, if the market goes this way, if this Fibonacci goes this way, then that way, I'm trying to come out with something, but in that, you understand, I undertake a lot of risk to my reputation as well. Then you should be also supportive, understanding. Who would do that? Tell me one person in the world. I mean, nobody will stick his neck out and say from this time to this time. Can anybody tell me one person in the world who can do that? But I'm not trying to be arrogant. In fact, I'm always, I say that whenever I come out with my forecast, it's with level of humility, please, and take my forecast of this today with some grain of salt. But I hope it happens. It's a lot of hard work we put, and you can see if it is turning out that way, then you have to have your positions. And don't forget, do try and wind up your positions early today. The last half hour is always very volatile. Big players and operators, try to go home early today. Okay, happy investing, have a nice day, take care, see you, bye bye.